NASAꯒꯤ astronaut Sunita Williams Amadi Buth Wilmore Orbital Lab International Space Stationda ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯥ 8ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ꯫ astronaut ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯟ ꯊꯥꯗ Boeing Starliner spaceship ꯇꯣꯡꯗꯨꯅ International Space Station ꯇꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ spaceship develop propulsionda technical problem ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ International Space Stationda ꯊꯥ 8 ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯅꯥꯁꯥꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯨꯅ SpaceX Dragon Craft spaceshipꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 58 ꯁꯨꯔꯕ Sunita Williams ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 62 ꯁꯨꯔꯕ Buth Wilmore astronaut ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯤꯗꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯇꯦꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅ International Space Stationꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ꯫
Lots of cheering here in the room, big hugs. Sunny William coming through in her blue flight suit. Oh.
And followed shortly behind by Commander of Starliner Butch Wilmore, now back on the space station, the third visit for both astronauts and the first crewed flight test of the Starliner spacecraft.
Everyone looking very happy, like they had a great ride.
And the ingress or the entrance of Butch and Sunny coming at 2:45 p.m. Central Time. Again, their arrival to the space station today at 12:34 p.m. Central Time, bringing the space station total crew right now up to 9 people.
Arriving for the first time ever in Boeing Starliner spacecraft.